In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Barclays Bank online banking in Jersey. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this guide is here to help you navigate the online banking login process smoothly and securely. First, start by accessing the Barclays Channel Islands and Isle of Man online banking page. This is the dedicated platform for customers in Jersey and the surrounding islands. To ensure security, always make sure you're on the official Barclays page by checking the URL in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Barclays homepage, look for the button that says something along the lines of "Already online? Welcome back. Online banking portal." This is typically found on the main landing page or sometimes within the menu options. Click on it to proceed. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. You'll need your username or membership number handy. This is your unique identifier that you set up when you registered for online banking. Next up, depending on your account type, you'll be required to input either your password, memorable word, or passcode. These details are crucial in maintaining the security of your account, so ensure you enter them accurately and never share them with anyone. Barclays takes the security of your account seriously, and in some cases you might be prompted to use PinSentry or another form of two-factor authentication. PinSentry is a security measure that generates a one-time code, adding an extra layer of security. You might have a PinSentry device provided by Barclays, or you can use the PinSentry functionality on the Barclays mobile app. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate and enter the code. If you run into any issues during login, double-check that you're using the correct details, including any capitalization in your password. In case you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry, there are options available on the page to retrieve or reset them. Just follow the steps and you'll be guided through the recovery process. That brings us to the end of the tutorial. With these instructions, you should now be able to log into your Barclays online banking account in Jersey comfortably. Remember, always keep your login information safe and be vigilant about online security. If you have any further questions or need assistance, Barclays customer service is always available to help you. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos packed with helpful tips and guides just like this one. Have a great day banking online and see you in our next video.